By the time the show is edited for your viewing pleasure, it generally looks like Adam and Jamie assemble, build, and manufacture, make and break, hammer and nail it without missing a beat. But sometimes their special effects superpowers are more of a DIY disaster.
We have to work quickly. This is a fast-setting urethane resin. What's that? What's pouring out? Why is it pouring out? What the? Oh. Why is it pouring? Oh, there's a goddamn hole at the bottom of it. Did not know that. Shoot. This is effectively a minor disaster. This will set into a hard plastic very quickly. That hard plastic has a unique effect, and it will make the Heinemann incredibly cranky. All right, we're gonna try this again. Here's what's going to happen. These two parts of the resin and the hardener, are having a chemical reaction right now. That chemical reaction is what they call exothermic. That means it's heat producing, and the heat helps change the molecular structure of the resin and cause it to turn into a plastic, what we call a thermoset. Here it goes, it's turning white. Oh, I love this. I've never actually cast it in clear PVC before. It looks awesome. I wish you could reach through the TV and touch this, because it's really quite warm. It's not coming out the way it used to. This is screw-up number 2 in what should have been a very, very simple operation. The second screw-up is that I forgot to spray the inside of this with a mold release. I'm gonna be really good at this by the end of this. Third time. Look at that! Came right out. Whew. Whew. All right.